Semiconductor chips need to go through a series of processing steps during the production process, and each step has high requirements for temperature. Water chillers are mainly used to maintain the low temperature operation state of semiconductor devices to improve the performance and reliability of the devices. 1. Semiconductor lasers. Lasers are widely used in semiconductor devices, but lasers generate a lot of heat when working, and chillers are needed to keep the temperature stable to ensure the efficiency and life of the lasers. 2. Semiconductor electronic device testing. During the testing of semiconductor electronic devices, chillers can provide a low-temperature environment to simulate the performance of devices under harsh working conditions. 3. Semiconductor electronic component packaging. During the packaging of semiconductor electronic components, chillers can control the temperature to ensure accurate packaging and stable performance of components. 4. Semiconductor manufacturing process. Some key steps in the semiconductor manufacturing process, such as thin film deposition, ion implantation, wafer quenching, etc., need to be carried out at a specific temperature, and chillers can provide the required low-temperature environment. LNEYA's water chillers are widely used in the semiconductor field, covering multiple links such as semiconductor device manufacturing, testing, packaging, and electronic equipment heat dissipation. The application of water chillers can effectively control temperature, ensure performance and reliability, and is very important for the development of the semiconductor industry.